What's up, guys? I want to go ahead and remind you all about the giveaway we're having. You still have some time to go like that video, Sports Talk in the Man Cave giveaway video. Be sure to leave a comment so you can be eligible to win those prizes. And then, of course, you have to subscribe to the channel, guys. And I really appreciate the support y'all been giving us. We have almost 600 subscribers already, so we really appreciate that. Our next giveaway will be at 1,000 subscribers after we do this one. So like I said, be sure to go like, comment, and subscribe on that video to be eligible to win those prizes. They're pretty cool prizes. So before I get into my Robinhood, I actually wanted to talk about what some people have been asking me about. They're asking me about my Robinhood, if that's my only account I have for retirement. And of course, that's not my only account I have. That money I have in Robinhood is actually like extra money that I started off with to learn how to trade stocks. It's not my only account. I have this other account which is similar to Robinhood. It's you put money in, except you don't do your own trading. So it's actually a Robo Advisor. It's what's called a Robo Advisor, and it uses algorithms to invest your money. And I've had that account since about January or February of 2017. And when I put money into that account, it actually started off pretty good. I made like a quick $2,000 on it. And but that's when, of course, the economy was doing real well. All the stocks, basically everything was doing real well at that time. And then I had a big drop, but now I'm up. So I have $12,449 in it right now, and about $293 is what I've earned from that, which is not much if you think about it, since I've had it open since 2017. But you know, I'm just gonna leave it there and see what happens with that. Besides that account, I also have a financial advisor that I go to. His name's Javier Mendoza. He works for AXA. And that account, it's a 403. Well, I have two accounts with him. I have a 403B, which is a regular 403B. I put $250 a month into that one, and I have a pretty good amount in that one, even though it's somewhat new. And then I have a Roth IRA with National Life Group, which, I mean, it doesn't go by the stock market. What happens is that one's a consistent 3.5% per year, which is basically nothing. It's keeping you above the inflation level, or maybe just even with the inflation level. So that one's not making me much. I am gonna look to move that one with AXA and open a Roth IRA with them, and then close that account with National Life Group. I also have a life insurance policy which doubles as a investing account. So I'm putting money into that one too. That one's I believe $150 a month I'm putting into that one, and a certain portion of that goes to the premium, and then the rest goes to investing it. And then when I reach a certain age, I'm going to be able to either take that money out, or do whatever I want with it, really. And then, of course, if you didn't know already, I'm a teacher. So as a teacher in Texas, we have what's called the Teacher Retirement System, TRS, and they take out your check every month and they save it for your retirement, and have a pretty good amount in there. We'll see what happens with that. I don't know if I'm just gonna leave that there or something's gonna happen. I might take it out, invest it, do something else with it, but for now it's staying there. And so all those accounts, the AXA 403B, the AXA Life Insurance, National Life Group, the TRS, and the Weiss Banyan are my retirement, are what I'm gonna use when I retire, what I'm gonna live off of. And then this Robinhood is just something extra that I'm looking to get. I'm looking not to take out, and I'm looking to try to build to $1 million. So that's where this whole idea for my journey to $1 million came from. Getting into the week of my Robinhood, last Friday I closed at $8,083.96. And then this Friday I closed at $8,238.04. which is $154.08 of gain from last week. The biggest gainers from this week were CGC, which gained a total of $2.68 this week. So they're now at $47. And if you remember, I initially bought those at $44.14. So I made a good amount of money with those. PTEN, which I told you I was going to buy last week, I did buy them. I bought 107 shares, which isn't much. I should have bought more because I bought them at 84 cents. And they had been still at about that price for a long time. And then this week they went up to $1. So they gained 15 cents or 16 cents it was from when I bought them. And so they made me some pretty good money, and I only bought 107 of them. I should have bought more. Should have listened to my uncle. You all should listen to my uncle. I would have made a lot more money on PTN if I would have bought a lot more shares of those. CRON did pretty good this week. It gained 60 cents. If you remember, I bought those at $13.89, and they're now at $21.80. And I have 25 of those, so they've made me probably the most amount of money. Them and CGC have probably made me the most amount of money on the from my portfolio. And then ACB had a good week. It gained 26 cents, so it's now at $7.32. And I initially bought those at $6 on that. Yeah, I bought those at $6 on that stock option that I ended up exercising, and I have 100. So I have 100 of those. Those were my top performers this week. What I look to do this coming week, is probably see what happens with PTN. I might end up buying a little bit more of those. I'm gonna see if the price drops a little bit, so I could get more, and then wait for it to go back up. I might sell a few ACB shares, and then I'm looking to buy either more Microsoft, or I'm gonna sell that Microsoft and buy something else. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I still need to look into it more. And then I'm gonna probably put more money in to this Robinhood account, maybe another $50, and just leave it there to add it to whatever I sell and I want to buy later on. So that's my plans. I'm back to $8,238. So it was an okay week, but we gotta get this moving faster. So hopefully that happens. Thanks, guys. Remember the giveaway. Go to that Sports Talk in the Man Cave video. The link's at the bottom of the video. It's the giveaway edition. And like the video. Be sure to comment, because if you don't comment, you won't be eligible. And then subscribe to the video, guys. Thanks a lot.